For a link to the PDF version of these instructions, check down below in the description. The Fort Jefferson 4x4 hexagon shaped design requires 6 2-foot timbers connected with stacking brackets and 6 stacking stakes per level. It will also require 6 finishing caps. For a full list of parts required for each level and cubic soil required for each level, check down below in the description. When connecting the boards and brackets for your design, make sure to connect the brackets on either end in alternating fashion. On this side we have a bracket sleeve that's in the down position, and on the other side have the bracket in the up position. To connect your boards and brackets, take a bracket and slide one onto either end of your board until the snap lock hole is lined up. Once you have the hole lined up, take one of your snap lock plugs and lay it flat onto that opening. Then with the palm of your hand, apply firm pressure until you hear a click. Now flip the board around and repeat this step on the other side. If you're having trouble installing the snap lock plugs by hand, you can also use a hammer or mallet to install them. If you think that you've installed your bracket in the wrong orientation and you need to remove it and flip it around, you can do so using a flathead screwdriver. Take the flathead screwdriver and insert it into the opening on either side of the snap lock plug. Insert it and apply firm pressure into the snap lock plug and then twist up. Then flip it around again and repeat this step. Firm pressure into the nub and twist up. Now you can remove your bracket and flip it around. For hard surface installation, you can use a hacksaw to cut off the part of the stake that inserts into the ground. Lay out 6 2-foot timbers for the base level of your design flat on the ground so you can see the footprint that your garden will take. Connect the joints of the first level of your design by inserting stacking stakes into each joint upside down. This will allow you to make adjustments to your shape before securing these stakes into the ground. Once you're good with the shape that you have, flip over your stacking stakes and hammer them into the ground. With the first level of your design secured into the ground, it's time to stack your additional levels. For each additional level, you'll use stacking stakes that will insert into the top of existing stakes. Once you've installed the final level of your frame, the last step is to install finishing caps on top of each of the 6 joints, and then you're ready to fill with soil and start planting. If you're having trouble with animals getting into your garden during the growing season, check in the description down below for a link to our animal barrier kit. If you have any questions on this instructional video, please email us at support@frameitall.com.
Frame it all.